Hey, what's up people, this is in Nepal presenting you the newly launched Hornet 160R. So these new versions comes with LED speed headlamps and new graphic designs. It comes with different color options, but personally I feel orange is much better. Talking about design, it's more on the muscular side compared to its brother X-Blade, which is more on the edgier side. Also, the tail lamps has the X-shaped LED, which seems to be quite unique in this segment. It comes with single piece handlebar, and the seat is also a single piece. Seating position of this bike is straight and also natural, so it can be called as a comfortable motorcycle. Also, it's much favorable for both short as well as taller rider. Handling seems to be more flexible and on the lighter side. The instrument cluster is also fully digital but lacks gear indicator. Also, regarding the engine, it's powered by single cylinder air-cooled 160cc engine, but at the end it's not FI. It has got 15 bhp of power at 8500 rpm and 14.7 Nm of torque at 6500 rpm, so it has good number of power in the mid-range side. Also, the engine refinement is one of the best in this segment. After all, it's Honda bike, भन्नै पर्दैन. However, the power delivery is on the linear side, which is great for city road. It do lack engine kill switch, but why, man? That's the disappointing part. Gearbox is pretty smooth with 5-speed transmission. It gets short and compact exhaust. It comes with stock MRF tire. On the front side, it has got 100 section of tire, and on the rear side, it has got 140 section of tire, which is almost similar to CBR 250R. So the braking power of this bike is also good. On the front side, it has got 276 mm of discs, and the rear has got drum brake. So the dry weight of this bike is 138 kg, and also one of the best part of this bike is it has got ABS as an option, which is not that required for 160cc bike, but at the end, ABS more safety. Also, regarding the mileage, it's like 40 to 45 km per liter on average, but yeah, it depends on rider and the condition. It has got 12 liter of fuel tank with carbon fiber like finishing. The suspension setup is on the stiffer side. So yeah, you'll be feeling most of the bumpers, and personally I do prefer soft suspension setup for a country road. Also, it has got telescopic shocks on the front side and monoshock on the rear part. If you are Honda lover and you think this bike is not for you, then yeah, still you have option for X-Blade 160R. So one of the best competitor for this bike is Apache 160R. At last, it's your budget and the type of bike you want. So guys, this much for today. Thanks for watching this video. Leave a like if you guys enjoyed watching this video, and also if you guys are new to my channel, subscribe चाहिँ गर्न नबिर्सिनु होला हैन. And if you guys have subscribed to my channel, then hit that notification bell icon. Till then, see you guys in next vlog.